Hello, my name is Robert Cannon, graduated here at F.I.R.S.T Institute in the Recording Arts and Show Production program, and I am the Valedictorian. Back in high school, I started writing music for myself, started recording in my closet at my mom's house. My older brother used to write poems and write raps, and I used to listen to him. Kind of got me headed in that direction to give it a shot. He kind of helped push me along the way. He seen that I had a passion for it, so he was actually the one who got me the microphone, got me the mixer. He was a key person in taking me in the direction which I'm headed. I heard about F.I.R.S.T Institute, and it just ended up being a perfect fit for me. The flexible schedule made it possible for me to pursue my dream and to get an education that I've always wanted over the years. You know, having a little bit of background, I thought that I'd have a jump on things, but I learned that I really didn't know half of what I thought I knew. I just came strictly for the music, and you know, it was a whole nother world that I was opened up to. They've equipped me with the skills, the knowledge. They've opened my eyes to the many opportunities that come in this industry that I never even thought about. You know, I want to build a studio. I want to get a record label off the ground. So that's my main focus. I feel like now I have a foundation that anything that I get into, I have a good starting point to build on, and it's because of F.I.R.S.T Institute.